channel. It's been a while and I'm bringing you guys new recipes with the air fryer. I'm super excited to share this with you guys because it's so easy. You know, if you need to go somewhere really quick and you need to make breakfast, lunch or dinner, you can just pop something into the air fryer. So here are the recipes. Okay, so today I'm going to be making crumb fried chicken with the air fryer. It's super easy. All I have to do is just soak this up with some butter. I've been salted.
What?
And pepper. Oh my gosh. I've been salt and pepper. Shush. Fran, don't say anything.
At least I got it on camera.
It's been a while, guys, since I've spoken to you. Okay. Okay, add a little bit of that. Okay. Stop laughing at me. Okay, the first thing you need is egg and breadcrumbs, and you have to get olive oil as well. So you put the olive oil into the breadcrumbs.
This will help make the chicken crispier in the air fryer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just going to mix it up a little bit. Whoops. I think I need to add a little bit more. So I just stick this into the egg and then dip this in here. So now I just keep doing this. I can't wait to make food for set. Like these kind of stuff is so exciting to do for you. Okay, so now it's done and I'm gonna be putting it in. Okay. So you put it to 165. Thanks.
You're welcome. Why don't you set the time? Asherah, put the chicken in
First we'll
first.
put the chicken in. Okay, so
Also, pro tip, don't let the chicken touch, because otherwise the part that's touching won't get crispy.
Let's put it a bit away. Okay. Cool. Done.
All right. So now, just put it in. No, man.
Oh shit, sorry. Thanks, Shahan. He's really good with these kind of stuff.
It's like a child could use it.
Just shush. Okay. Okay, yeah, for 12 minutes. And now we wait. Okay, done.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. He's making me some kottami.
And I used the leftover egg wash to make it a nice egg cocktail.
And here's my dinner, guys. Hi everyone. So I'm just having a vitamin C. So the next recipe that I'm going to make on the air fryer is going to be an egg, bacon and bread. Actually, it's like a little sandwich that I'm going to make. It's pretty cool. I'm going to just show you how it's done. It's really awesome and super easy. You know, when you're in a hurry to go, you can just toss it in the air fryer. So come on. Okay, so the bread, you need to cut the crust out, and then I'm going to, first I need to find my rolling pin. Roll it. Where's my rolling pin? Aha, got it. Okay, and then you need to bread. Then I'm gonna flatten the other bread. This is super easy to make, guys. Like you know, if you're in a hurry to do something, you know, you need to go to work, you can quickly just toss this in the air fryer. Quick and easy. I'm so glad that we got an air fryer because it's honestly really, really easy to make chicken or you know anything. Flatten it up nicely. I'm gonna cut it into like 4, like this. So that. Just not fully, just a little bit. I'll show you guys just a second. Let me just do it first. So the first thing you need to do is put some olive oil or butter around in over here. You need to put it really well so that it doesn't stick. So you first put it in there. So you have to just add the bacon around this, and then you need to cut the bread like this. Just 2 little slices over here. Okay, so I put the egg in here, and now I'm just gonna, you can put some onions, red pepper, but I'm just gonna add some cheese in this. So now I just place this in here, and now I'm just gonna put it on. I'm going to add it to 70 minutes and for 16 minutes. Oops. And this is going to go inside. Let's see how it'll turn out. And it's done. Looks so good. And it's done. Super easy. Can't wait to eat it.
That looks awesome. Wow.
An air fryer is so easy. Now my next recipe is gonna be an omelette. I'm gonna make an omelette with red pepper, onions and sausages, and I'm just gonna throw it into the air fryer and it'll cook in 16 minutes. Check this out. So now I just need to beat this egg up. Properly beat it. Then I'm going to add a little bit of red pepper, a little bit of onion. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit more, and then some sausages. Well, I'm going to add a little bit more sausages, and then I'm going to mix it nicely. And then you need to add some salt and pepper. First, let me mix this up well. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just adding this in. Okay. It's gonna be a yummy, yummy omelette. Super easy. Change this to 75 and to 16 minutes. And now we wait. And it's done. Check out this omelette. Oops. Looks so good. My omelette is done, guys. It looks really good and super tasty. I hope hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to put these recipes out because I wanted to show you guys how it's so easy to use an air fryer and it's super quick.
And it just doesn't have to be only healthy food.
Yeah,
you can like cook
exactly.
so many things.
Yeah.
Even stuff for Baba in the future.
Anyways guys, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and drop a comment below and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you guys next week with some exciting news. Bye!
Bye!